All right, so today we're taking a look at this 1990 Land Rover Defender V8. It has the 3.9 liter Rover V8. If you're familiar with the Rover V8 lineage, it's basically just a bored out 3.5 liter. And it was really only available on North American Defenders, 90s and 110s. You could special order it in Europe, but kind of a mainstay of the North American Defender is the 3.9 liter, especially for this year. This is a 1990, like I said. And this particular Defender was restored and refurbished by Arkonik in Somerset, in lovely UK. And of course, in typical British fashion, it was a little bit rainy this morning, but it dried out by now, and I had a little bit of chance to wash the water off this thing, but you can see some water stains, unfortunately. Regardless, today's about driving, so we're gonna hop in. It is a little bit warm. I've had the opportunity to drive this for about 10 minutes to my current location, so no need to do a cold start. I did record a separate video for that. But for now, we're just gonna pretty much take it out for a drive. I'm gonna start, not quite gonna take it on the highway, but we'll get up to the state limit of 55 miles an hour on this stretch of road today, and then we'll just do some windy back roads, and that'll be all. All right, so I'll leave the door open for this startup. There you go. Very smooth. All right, let's get going. Rough on that 1.2. Takes a little getting used to. But otherwise, the 5-speed transmission is actually surprisingly smooth. You'd think for a rugged 4x4 off-roader, it'd be a little notchy, a little grindy, but and of course some Defenders are, but this particular model, or example rather, is quite nice. Easy to shift. The plastic windows and the vinyl / fabric rooftop in the back bouncing against the roll cage because of the wind buffeting. And of course, that's nothing out of the ordinary. Beautiful day. Alright, so we're gonna turn off there. Actually, let's be cheeky. That is pretty funny. Pretty funny. The only two-door Defender in this lot. Sign of the times. Alright, we're gonna take this thing up on the sawmill a little bit. Which is the ideal spot to be in a car like this. Sarcasm. But you'll see that you can actually keep up with traffic just fine. It's really no sweat. It feels sturdy. Surprisingly planted, even though it's on grabbers. Obviously not going to be racing anybody. You got plenty of looks. That is something. If you're buying a Defender 90 because you want to get looks, which you shouldn't, but if you are, you will get them. Stop. Yeah, the Defender 130. It's Defender Day today. And there you are.